So today we're going to talk about the equipment on a luxury pool. First a brief overview, and then we'll go into taking apart your system and how to do that correctly and easily, and then how to put it back together. What we're looking at here is a manifold where our water's coming in. We call that our intake manifold, and if you can zoom in here, we've got our skimmer line, we've got our main drain line, and water is coming up through both of these pipes. This is called a diverter valve. This controls where the water is coming from on the pool. And we can control all the water comes from the skimmer, all the water is going to come from the main drain or the lower drains, and in this middle position, the water is split evenly. So we're taking half the water from the main drain and half of the water is coming from the skimmer when we're pointing this valve here into the middle. The water then comes into the pump. We have a basket inside this pump that catches any debris that would have gotten past the skimmer basket. The water then comes up into the filter, and our filter has a gauge at the top that tells us what the water pressure is in that unit, as well as a bleeder valve. The water then goes out of the filter into our cleaner or our drain to waste valve. We're then coming up into the pool heater, in and then back out. Next we've got our chlorination system. This is a salt chlorinator. Whether your system has salt on it or it's a chemical chlorine system, this is where that chlorine unit will sit. And then we're sending the water back to the pool via this return manifold. Same as the intake, we've got a diverter valve here that controls whether we're sending all of the water to the returns or whether we're peeling some of that water off and sending it to the bubblers.